The vital statistics of Nui for the half year ending December 2012 sees one noticeable change. In terms of births and deaths, there was a 1.5% growth since the beginning of the year. 12 in the first half of the year to June and 10 in the second half of the year to December. This is in comparison to the 2011 census population of 1,460. The population figures for year ending December 2012 estimates 1,678 in total population. However, on-island population at the time of compilation is 1,347. Total births recorded 16 with 9 boys and 7 girls. 15 births took place on the island and only 1 overseas. Total deaths recorded 6 with 5 males and 1 female. The natural increase of figures recorded 10. Number of marriages for the second half of the year sees 3 weddings in September and 2 in November. More information is available on the statistical figures from the Nui Statistics Office. Nui Public Service Commission has one less commissioner to start the year with, as a resignation was received at the end of last year. Nui Public Service Commissioner Esther Pabi, who plays a critical role in the government's transformation and restructuring proposals among many other developmental initiatives, resigned a few weeks ago and will complete her role at the end of the month. The resignation by Ms. Esther Pavihi was confirmed by Chair of Nui Public Service Commission yesterday, Mrs. Georgina Tukiuha. Ms. Pavihi said she feels she has contributed what she can to her role as a commissioner. She said she has also valued her time during the role of commissioner, but feels the opportunity can be given to someone else. No official announcement has received from government to the resignation or when a commissioner will be appointed. We wish Commissioner Pabihi the best for the future. A board game that has sold more than 275 million copies and a movie franchise worth more than $1 billion are 2 additions to the New Zealand Mint collectible family to start the year off, and the latest coins to add to the collection is the 50th anniversary coin of Doctor Who. The 3 legal tender coin sets depicting the Monopoly game and the Transformers characters are manufactured in fine 0.999 silver and have been launched at the Berlin World Money Fair on 1st of February. Chief Executive of New Zealand Mint Simon Harding said the Monopoly game is one of the world's most popular games, and Transformers is one of the most iconic action brands with globally known movies, television shows, action figures, and more so the 2 coin sets will be easily recognizable around the globe. The coin sets are produced under a 2-year license from global branded play company Hasbro and bear the effigy of the government of Niue. Doctor Who coins that is expecting also an appearance on the 1st of February. Doctor Who first aired on BBC in 1963, originally ran for 26 series until 1989. The show was revived in 2005 and has continued to captivate a broad audience from young children and families to nostalgic viewers and sci-fi fanatics. The coins themselves are legal tender for $2 in Niue, making them a must-have item for fans to collect. Coins produced by New Zealand Mint all bear the Government of Niue effigy. Niue's reputation as a clean nation has been tested over the festive season, with tons of rubbish thrown by roadsides and public gathering areas. The eyesore in some areas is not welcome by many residents on the island who wants to retain the reputation as one of the cleanest islands in the Pacific. Niue Tourism Office, who continue to maintain tourist sites around the island, has been disappointed with the amount of litter around the island as people dump rubbish on roadsides and public areas. However, it is not just the Tourism Office that has shown concerns, but visitors and most residents on the island. One visitor commented, Nui is lucky because there is no charge for the truck to arrive at the doorstep to pick up rubbish, and unwanted litter should be kept to be collected by the rubbish truck. On the flip side of the coin, there is a penalty for those reported or caught littering. A thought: if you drive along the road and have the urge to throw out the window, keep it for the trash. And to end our news bulletin for tonight, Kohimarama season has started with most beaches expected to close. Though the little visitors are starting to arrive, rough seas has also prevented many from wandering onto the beaches to fish. The start of the Kohimarama season has not fared well with many keen fishermen, as continuing bad weather prevents fishers from catching many of the small sardine-like fish. Avasale village, who always has the most fortunate chance of having the small visitors first most years, have also felt the impacts of rough seas. Though most fishermen are not venturing out as yet to the beaches, collecting the baits for the Kohimarama is just as much fun for families and kids awaiting the chance to catch the annual delicacy. That's our news bulletin for tonight. Good evening.